The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is one of the best smartwatches available right now. Its 2 generation older model, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, is also under Rs 10,000, which makes it one of the best options in the 10,000 category. Hey everyone, my name is Manav, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video, we will be sharing our thoughts on whether you should buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or not. So let's get started. Samsung Galaxy Watch series design language remains almost the same over the years. The latest Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 look quite similar to the Galaxy Watch 4. The bezels are slightly thinner and the sleek design is one of the only noticeable differences. The Galaxy Watch 4 comes with a premium looking design. It sports a stainless steel case. On the right side of the watch, you get two navigation buttons. One is a home button in which you can customize your command, and other is the back button. Both the buttons come with metal housing which looks quite premium. Moreover, it also features a virtual rotating bezel that allows you to navigate different menus and apps. The watch strap is pretty good and very comfortable to wear even for a longer duration of time, and it is compatible with aftermarket watch straps, which means you can customize it even further. Also at the back we have the array of all the sensors which comes with the Samsung Galaxy Watch branding, which looks pretty decent. The watch also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. We have the 44mm variant which sports a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED circular display. It comes with a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits, making it usable in even direct sunlight. The watch comes with Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection. If we still compare with the 2024 standards, the display is decently bright and colorful. There are a lot of watch face options available besides the Galaxy Wearable app. You can also download additional watch faces from the Play Store. The resolution is also pretty impressive, with the 44mm model taking that up to 450 by 450 pixel. That's 330 pixel per inch. You can even watch your favorite show on this smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm variant is powered by a 361 mAh battery that can withstand a full day of heavy use. If you don't use it extensively, it can easily last for a day and a half on a single charge. In this price range, you may easily find a smartwatch with a longer battery life than the Watch 4. One of the standout aspects of the product is the performance of the smartwatch. Galaxy Watch 4 comes with Wear OS 3.0 and One UI Watch 3 out of the box. That can be further updated to Wear OS 4.0 and One UI Watch 5. And you will be getting software updates whole 2024. The watch comes equipped with the Exynos W920 coupled with 1.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The watch can easily do your day-to-day tasks and run all your apps pretty effectively. But after constantly using it for a longer duration of time, you can notice minor lag. Otherwise, the watch performs really well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes loaded with a ton of health tracking features like sleep tracking, sleep score, running and run analysis, blood oxygen, food and water tracking, step counter, activity goals, team activity sharing challenges, and body analysis data. If you are looking for a smartwatch under 10,000 with a proper watch OS, great performance and tracks your fitness activity, then you can go for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. But if you are someone who needs the latest cutting edge technology and budget is not an issue, then you can look out for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Do let us know what do you think about this smartwatch in the comment section, and keep following Gadgets 360 for all things new. See you guys in the next one.